Wait, is that a real house? Look at it. Look at the windows. They're glowing. What if I told you that everything you're seeing right now came from this? Tangled wire, broken twigs, dirt, scraps of moss. Nothing special, just forest garbage. And yet, look at her. Look at this. This is the miniature MossCottage, and she's made entirely from materials you'd find in your backyard. Welcome to Gift for Guest DIY Gift Ideas. Today we're proving that magic isn't about expensive materials, it's about vision. It's about patience. It's about seeing the world hidden in the weeds. Stick around to the end because I promise you the final reveal will shock you. Let me show you what we're working with. I want you to see the ugly before the magical. First, weathered oak twigs. Brown, rough, ordinary. These look like fallen branches from my backyard. Next, dark iron wire. Matte, unremarkable, nothing special. Then, sheet moss. Damp, dirty. It looks like something you'd scrape off a tree trunk. And finally, pressed flower petals. Delicate, thin, almost transparent. They look like nothing. These are the materials. Modest, ordinary, almost invisible. Now, watch what happens. We start with the skeleton, the bones, the architecture. I'm lashing the twigs together with iron wire, creating the structural frame. Every joint is precise. Every connection is intentional. This is the foundation. Without this, she's just a pile of sticks. Look at how the wire binds the wood. It's strong. It's rigid. It's the architecture of a dream. This is where it begins. This is where the garbage becomes something more. Now, the walls, the skin, the soul. I'm pressing gray-green lichen onto the frame, piece by piece, patch by patch. This is where she starts to look like a real building. Ancient, weathered, full of history. The lichen has texture. It has depth. It has time. Notice how the gray-green contrasts with the dark twigs. It's organic. It's natural. It's home. And now, the crown. The roof. I'm layering thick, plush sheet moss over the beams. This is the most satisfying part.